right, we have some big news coming in. Twitter seeks meeting with IT Minister over government notice. The notice was sent as Twitter India unblocked around 257 accounts that the centre had initially asked to withheld. In fact, in an email statement to India Today, Twitter said safety of our employees is the top priority for us at Twitter. We continue to be engaged with the government of India from a position of respect and have reached out to the Honourable Minister as well. We review every report we receive from the government as expeditiously as possible and take appropriate action regarding such reports while making sure that we hold firm to our fundamental values and commitment to protecting public conversation. Here's Twitter's response coming in. Remember, the government had asked Twitter to pull down those handles that have been instigative and promoted hate and misinformation with regards to the farmers' protests. Now, Twitter seeks a meeting with the IT Minister over the government's notice. Twitter, in fact, says, right before that, the notice was sent to Twitter asking them to unblock around 257 accounts. In fact, recently the reports came in that close to 1,200 accounts that the government highlighted asking Twitter to pull it down. Now, Twitter asked for a meeting with the centre. In an email statement to India Today, Twitter said safety of our employees is a top priority for us at Twitter. We continue to be engaged with Government of India from a position of respect and have reached out to the Honourable Minister. We review every report we receive from the government as expeditiously as possible and take appropriate action regarding such reports while making sure we hold firm to our fundamental values and commitment to protecting public conversation. Aishwarya Paliwal joining us live for more details on that. Aishwarya, government asks Twitter, sent a notice, in fact reporting 270 handles initially or 257 handles initially, and then updated the list to about 1,200 odd Twitter handles, asking for Twitter to pull them down, accusing them of inciting and spreading misinformation. Now, Twitter says that they want to hold a meeting with the IT Ministry, and they've also given out a written explanation to India Today. Take us through what exactly Twitter is looking out for now.
Well, there's a lot of back and forth which has happened, especially with regards to those handles which the government wants Twitter to ban. The Twitter initially, they did ban 257 of those handles, but then within a couple of hours, they did open them back, saying that they do not want to hamper free speech. Let me also tell you, one of the bone of contentions is how Twitter had liked a tweet which, according to the government, goes against what India stands for. So definitely very big questions will be raised. And now Twitter is saying that they do not want to do back and forth. In fact, they want to meet the IT Minister in person. So we will see Twitter India officials seeking a time from the IT Minister, and then they will try to iron out all the differences which have cropped up over the past 15 days. Twitter is still awaiting a time. We are also keeping a very close eye on what time the IT Minister will give them. From what we understand, Twitter wants to speak in person, face to face, and then clear out all the misunderstandings which, according to Twitter, have cropped up over the past 15 days.
Right, Aishwarya, thank you very much for joining us with those details. Twitter now seeking a meeting with the IT Minister over government notice. Twitter has already pulled down a couple of accounts, but there are a host of other accounts that still remain active on Twitter, and this is exactly what the government has asked Twitter for, to pull them down, accusing those accounts of spreading misinformation. Twitter now says that they are wanting a meeting with the IT Ministry with that regard in relation to the notice that was sent to them, and Twitter says safety of employees is the top priority for Twitter. We continue to be engaged with the Government of India from a position of respect and have reached out to the Honourable Minister. We review every report we receive from the government as expeditiously as possible and take appropriate action regarding such reports while making sure that we hold firm to our fundamental values and commitment to protecting public conversation. This is Twitter's response.